How much did they offer you?
200,000.
If you were quiet?
200,000 if we were quiet, yes.
A bombshell allegation that the Fulton County School District tried to buy a mother's silence. Judy Marshall says school officials didn't want her to tell the other parents that disabled children may have been abused. Hello, I'm Stephanie Fisher.
And I'm Katie Brace. CBS Atlanta investigative reporter Jeff Jericho exposed the cover-up 2 years ago. But Jeff, this is really the first time we have heard about this alleged hush money.
That's right, Katie. We learned about the offer when it was mentioned in a court hearing yesterday. A Fulton County school spokeswoman tells CBS Atlanta News it's just not true. But we spoke with Judy Marshall, who says the school district offered her a payout if she wouldn't talk.
I guess that would be considered hush money.
Judy Marshall speaking for the first time about the $200,000 deal she says Fulton County Schools offered her to keep quiet. She was asked about it while testifying in a courtroom yesterday.
They wanted us not to talk to any of the parents or not to talk to anyone about what was in the investigation.
That investigation was compiled into this report in 2007. It concluded that special education teacher Melanie Pickens physically and mentally abused 6 special needs students who couldn't talk, including Judy's son Jake.
He was pushed, shoved, kicked, had shoes and other things thrown at him, hit him in the head. He was being hit in the head. He was being strapped in a chair and locked in a room, sometimes daily and sometimes all day.
The report also mentions Alex Williams, Garrett Lee, Rafika Persadi, and Aaron Hatcher. But the district never told their parents their children were named in the report.
If Mr. and Ms. Marshall accepted that money, there are 5 other children who would not have found out what happened, families that found out what happened to their children.
The Marshalls' attorney, Chris Vance, says a school district attorney offered the Marshalls the deal in 2009 to settle a lawsuit the family filed against the district.
What do you think of that tactic?
It's all part of what's going on from the very beginning. They knew Ms. Pickens was abusing these children. They allowed it. They let it continue for 5 years. And then when someone finally found out about it, then they tried to pay her off.
Now, the district issued this statement: the allegation of any type of hush money is unfounded and absolutely not true. The Marshalls did eventually settle with the district for an undisclosed amount of money. As you can imagine, the agreement doesn't prohibit the family from speaking about the abuse. Jeff Jericho, CBS Atlanta News.